If you come over here to the left-hand side, it is called reimbursements. So when you open up reimbursements and you've synced up your account when you first sign up for the software to your Amazon account, it's going to scrub all of the reimbursement reports. It's going to look for all anomalies, for returns, for shipping miscalculations, for damaged product. There's a whole fleet of different things it's going to analyze. And you can see that here in the dashboard. The really cool thing is this is going to show you how much possible reimbursement that Amazon owes you. And you can also do this for multiple accounts. So you can sync in a bunch of different accounts here. So this one's 20 grand that is potential to get back here from Amazon on this one. So it also shows you the time frame. So 0 to 9 months, there's 5,800. There's 14K between 9 and 18 months. And then here in red, if it goes beyond 18 months, oftentimes you actually can't get that money back. So there is a time cap on your ability to apply for these reimbursements. And so this like upfront view just kind of shows you how much money is possibly out there for you, as well as how much money you've left on the table. And you can kind of really focus in on this. So there's a bunch of different types. One is destroyed inventory. One is damaged inventory. One is misplaced and lost inventory. There's incorrect reimbursements where maybe they've given you money back, but not the correct amount. There's missing inventory from Amazon FBA Shipping as well. So let's just go into destroyed inventory. We'll use that one as an example. You select that, you hit next. So how it basically works is it's going to kind of scrub all this data, again, tying into your Seller Central account. You can select the product here. You can select the adjustments. So it lets you select up to 5 at a time because Amazon will only look at 5 per ticket. So this is something that you kind of, especially when you first get in here, you probably have a backlog of them. You're going to submit them 5 incidents per ticket and just kind of, chip away at it over the next couple weeks type thing is typically what I do. Obviously, once you've kind of cleared the backlog out, this can be just a weekly or a monthly activity that you or somebody on your team can come in and do. So it lets you kind of select up to 5 here. Looks like there's only 4, so I'll select those. And then I can download the Excel sheet. And then that's going to give me a full report that I can attach to my Seller Central ticket, which is super sweet. So you don't have to go copy paste and find all the stuff. And even better, it gives you the exact descriptive language that you can use for the reimbursement. So you'll see here, it's got the ticket subject, although oftentimes you don't need a ticket subject anymore. And then it just has the actual ticket text. So this is validated, proven text and messaging, as well as the attachment that the Amazon seller support team is going to need. So it's awesome. And then directly from here, you can click on this Amazon support and it's going to take you right into Seller Central to submit the necessary ticket and information. And then once you've submitted that ticket, you can mark adjustments as processed and it will take those 4 in this case off the list so it knows that we've dealt with them. So that's one of the quick and easy ones to do. Let's just go to another account here. I'm going to just see if there's one that's got some damaged inventory, none on damaged inventory. So let's go to this incorrect reimbursements. Once again, you select up to 5. In this case, there's 4. I'll select those, hit next. And then this one is really cool in the sense that it tags the actual incorrect reimbursement number that's been submitted and it cuts it and puts it directly into the text for you to submit the ticket within Amazon. So here all of this stuff's done. I can just kind of copy this. Again, click on Amazon support. Sets you right into Amazon Seller Central to submit your ticket, and then you can mark those orders as processed. So let's just do one more for fun. If you come down to the missing inventory from FBA Shipping, and again hit next on this one. I'm in privacy mode here, so it's taken away all the ASIN information, but you would see your photo, your ASIN name, your product name in here. You can select one of those that's got some issues. You select the shipping, so the number that was shipped, received, and lost. And then you can put in your actual COGS in here as needed. So let's say I shipped 105. It's going to kind of adjust what that amount is. And it's going to tie directly into the cost of goods within Sellerise here. So you don't even need to calculate it. It's already in the system. So it's auto-calculated that. And then you can put the shipping date in there as optional if you'd like. And then you hit next. And again, since I don't have any shipments that are off here, I can't show you that, but you hit next and it's going to go in and the same thing, give you all the pre-populated ticketing information.